Welcome to Top Cars Review.
It's been 5 years since Renault turned its back on its own naturally aspirated, manual gearbox Clio RS Providence and lobbed with a comparatively weapons-grade third-generation hell-bent on reformulating compact grocery getters with lofty performance capabilities. Whereas hot hatches French and otherwise were once all-chassis, low-powered propositions that you could chuck at the most mundane driving experiences and would reward with 10/10 hilarity, 2013 unveiled powerful turbocharging, dual clutch, only, and launch control trickery, poise, grip, and the sorts of pace and performance unheard of for rocket-fueled city cars. Whether RS version 3, based off Clio IV, confusingly, though some call this Gen 4 Clio RS, was a better breed depends largely on your definition of what hot hatch means. This new era of faster certainly didn't negatively impact the ever-growing cult following of slower, simpler, more conventionally hot and increasingly loved first, second or however many generation forebears. If this new, facelift 2018 Renault Clio RS update is anything to go by, there's been no need to raise the levels of power and pace we've become accustomed to for the past 5 years. That's because, in this new version, there's no extra on show. Instead, the three-strong lineup makes do with some aesthetic and equipment fettling in the otherwise familiar mix to add a little newfound luster to the compact hot hatch's already shiny halo.